Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to get unbanned on Tinder using your phone. Let's get started. First, understand why you were banned. Tinder bans account that violates rules like sending inappropriate messages, using fake photos, or breaking community guidelines. Knowing the reason helps you explain your cases. Open the Tinder app on your phone. If your account is banned, you will usually see a message when you try to log in. Take a screenshot of this message. It can help when connecting support. Then connect Tinder support. Go to the Tinder Help Center. Scroll to Contact Us and select I am banned or suspended. Fill out the form with your account info and a polite explanation. Write clearly and politely. Explain that you want to appeal your ban and that you will follow the rules in the future. Avoid blaming Tinders. Just focus on asking to recover your account. Finally, wait for the response. Tinder may review your appeal and unban your account if they find it appropriate. And that's it. Understand the reason, take a screenshot and contact support politely and wait for reply. Follow these steps and you will have the best chances to get your unbanned on Tinder using your phone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.